Hey, it's me, Hasba with WTI, and intimate hygiene is important. And I am always looking to find good products that feel and smell nice. And this delicate freshness feminine cleanser from Nosotras is wonderful. It was made with lavender oil, so it smells really good, and it is a pretty gentle intimate cleanser. I also love the consistency of the product. It helps me make some foam to wash my areas. And this is something that I don't use every day, but on days when I know that I'm gonna be really active, so that I keep all my areas feeling fresh. I appreciate packagings that look super cute, and once you see the bottle, it is pretty noticeable that it is lavender, not only because of the flowers, but because of the color of the packaging. So if you're looking to introduce a new product to your hygiene routine, well, this is good. I use it and my mom does too, and we both love it, and that's our point of view.